Breaking news. Alex has been elected president. Is that Alex?
My brother became president!
In a stunning upset, Alex is now the leader of the nation. Leave this house now!
Dad, please give me one more chance. You are useless. I will prove you wrong. I am scared, but I will never give up. Tomorrow will be better. I must stay strong.
Eat first, my boy.
Thank you very much.
You are a hard worker.
I want a better life.
Never stop learning.
Education is my future. Knowledge gives me hope. I will never quit.
You earned this scholarship.
Thank you for believing in me.
This is only the beginning. One day, I will make my country proud. Congratulations, Alex. This is only the beginning. Our growth strategy focuses on the ideation phase. Your ideas are brilliant. I want to help people.
Thank you for helping us.
We grow by helping others.
What is your secret?
Never stop believing in yourself. Aqua. Alex! Together, we can build a better future. The final results are here! I hope I can serve my country. Alex is our new president! Thank you for believing in me. Breaking news. Alex has been elected president. Is that Alex?
My brother became president!
In a stunning upset, Alex is now the leader of the nation. Welcome, Mr. President. I will serve with honesty. I made a terrible mistake.
I wish I could say sorry.
Alex, please forgive us. You are still my family. I was wrong about you. Everyone deserves a second chance.
We are together again!
This makes me truly happy.
Thank you, Mr. President!
Never stop dreaming. We are proud of you, Alex.
Kindness is greater than success.
Hi everyone. Moral of the story: never lose hope. Hard work, education, and kindness can change your life. Forgiveness make a person truly great. Thank you.